Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna sharing with you the recipe of garlic bread. So guys, this is a super easy recipe of making garlic bread toast on tawa or a pan and without the oven. Take softened butter in a bowl and add some 3 to 4 medium grated garlic directly into the butter. Now add some chili flakes, some salt, mix them well, then add some oregano. This is totally optional. Now mix everything, and I'm also adding some green chili. Now spread the garlic butter evenly on all the slices. You can be more generous with the butter if you want to. Now heat the pan or a tawa on a high flame. Spread some ghee. When tawa becomes hot, reduce the flame to low or medium and then place the bread slices. Roast till light golden and a bit toasted at the edges. So guys, if you want a more crisp toasted texture, then toast the garlic bread slices for some more minutes. The taste of this garlic bread is similar to the one we get in restaurants and pizza joints. Now let's make a dip. So here I'm taking some mayonnaise, add some tomato sauce and mix them well. So guys, this is the recipe. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, take a moment to subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching.